Hello, my friend. This moment, I'm going to try to explain what is Facebook auto post in the marketplace script. Um, well, this script you can use it for auto post all your items that you need to sell in the marketplace. I'm talking about Facebook Marketplace, right? And well, I'm going to try to 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 explain step by step how to install in your local environment. First of all, we need to install a Python language. We need to go and search Python, and we need to click on download Python. And then we'll only click on the exe file. We need to add the python .x to path. Then we'll need to click on the next button, and and that's all. Only needs to click on install to finish with this step. For check if the Python was installed in currently, we need to click CMD on Windows, and then you need to click Python, and well, you need to see it like this Python 3.11. And if you see this result, well, the Python was installed correctly. Then you need to install Visual Studio Code, and in the same step you need to search. Then you need to click on download button, and, and you need to click on installer. And yeah, we are going to need Git program. Visual Studio Code, we need to change the configuration files for the script. Well, we need to install Git. The similar steps we need to we are going to install Visual Studio Code. Is an easy step. Well, you only need to click on install, and that's all. It's not complicated. You need to download Git, and well, we need to click on the next button. And yeah, we need to wait to get installed. the same step, we need to try to find git bash, and well, and that's how to check if git was installed correctly. um, this is only like I remember everything every time that you need to post a new article or item, you need to delete the last uh, post, because if not, you're going to see repetitive items, and well, Facebook don't like that you post the same post, and you need to delete the last one, right? We are going to go to my GitHub. Uh, we need to go to the project Facebook Auto Post. This is the URL. You need to click on that bottom and copy that link. You need to go to the folder that you want to download the project. Uh, right right click mm, of the mouse button, and open the terminal, and you need to click git space clone space and the link that you copy. And well, you need to click enter, and yeah, the project is going to download in your folder. Then you need to open Visual Studio Code, open in the file bottom, then open folder and search the folder of your project, and then well, select folder, and you're going to see the project in this Visual Studio. The first thing that you need to do is copy the config example, and paste this copy, rename it to config.ini, and this is going to be the file that you use for your current uh, email and passwords, because well, the script needs to your data, because well, you need to connect with your account, right? You need to change your email right here, the password, and and where in language you need to change to en, uh, and image path you need to change the path of your where is your images of your post. This is my folder where I have all my photos of my items that I want to sell. I copy the path and put right here. You need to put right here the location of your Firefox. Usually is the same path, and yeah, you need to download Firefox because well, Firefox help us to add emojis in every post that we need to add, and Chrome and any kind of different uh, navigators no not support emojis, only Firefox. And well, this is Firefox is the same thing that uh, is the same like Chrome, right? uh, yeah, well, the next step, we need to download Gecko driver. You need to search with Google, and usually you could see and GitHub repository. Then you could scroll down and search the Gecko driver Win at 32 zip. You need to unzip the this file and extract the gecko driver.exe and put in your folder of your project. Yeah, you need to move this gecko driver in the path of your uh, project. And you can see this is the gecko driver in your project. This is the path, the right path. The this gecko driver help us to manage Firefox. Well, we need to create a new environment, and we need to put Python slash m bemp space and the name of the environment, like emp, and that's it. That was created. we need to uh, write emp slash script slash activate to activate the current environment, and you can see that this emp set that is uh, correctly activate, right? We need to type pip space install uh, r space requirements. This uh, this command is going to take the requirements of the file and is going to install all the dependencies, all the requirements, right? Well, the dependencies was installed correctly, and we need to type Python space create database, and this command is going to create the articles.db database. We need to, well, then we need to install the beaver DBeaver manage to manage the database. The same that the other programs. We need to download the installer for Windows, and it's not a complicated thing. It's only you you don't need to a complex configuration. Only click next every time in the installer, and that's all. And it's not complicated. You open the Beaver, and you need to open a new connection and choose the SQLite option. You need to find in your project the articles.db file, and you need to click on finish. Or this is the table, and you can see the ID, the title, price, category, description, type, groups, label, and this you can see this like example. If you see, you could add emojis without a problem. And and, and the prices, you need to use integer number, and categories you need to put the the right category, and the state you need to get from the file marketplaces options. You need to find the categories uh, object, and well, on the you need to scroll down, and if you see on the bottom of the file, you are going to see the English options for categories, and, and from states too. And this is the the options for states in Spanish, but if you need for English, isn't the same uh, uh, file, but in the bottom of the file. Uh, Platform and devices is for video games and for cell phones. Every time that you need to sell that kind of items. And you need to add a description because it's uh, uh, for the path column, you need to add the right path of your images. Uh, for, uh, the Yeah, the thing is that you need to add the name of the folder where you have the images. For example, in this example, I'm going to sell shoes, uh, and well, that this is the name of my folder, and we have three images. And yeah, you need to put the name of the folder right here. And well, I you need to put the in the right order uh, in in the in this folder, because uh, the photos that you upload in Facebook Marketplace is going to take uh, just like this. The first photo is going to see in your post, and you need to rename or change the order of the photos if you like, right? These groups, you need to put the numbers and separated by commas. uh, Yeah, on the end, when you finish with your post, you could upload your post or share your post uh, with uh, a lot of groups, and you need to put the what kind of groups would you like to share, and you need to put the second one, the third one. This is the way that we make. Mm, well, if you would like to add a new uh, row, you need to click in as a new row, and you need to add the information like as an ID, the title, the prices, category, uh, uh, and this is because, well, you need to add this information only once, and every time that you um, run the script, the script is going to get the information from here. And for to save the new row, you need to click on Control S to save, uh, and well, you 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 can see that we add and we delete this row, and then we have clicked on Control S to save the changes. Uh, to run the script, you need to type Python space app dot p I y, and you 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 can see the script is running. And the thing is, at this is, step usually fails because the scripts don't type in the right place. This is because we are using a library, but the library uh, don't don't well fails the library. This is on the right. You can see that the we are choosing the a lot of groups, the groups that we have in our database. Every time that we have the problem, you can help the script and copy and paste the path and and choose the photos manually. You can see in the right, we are choosing the groups like uh, 2, 3, 4. The every group that you put in your database is going to choose in the in this right. You can you see in this moment the the script don't fail in this step, right? And that's all. The script finish, and we make all the posts in of the database. Remember, this is the way that we run the script: Python space app dot py. Well, my friends, that's all. Uh, we see how to install and how to run the script. Uh, you need to remember this. You need to remember install, download the project, uh, Firefox to use emojis, DBeaver for manage the database, uh, um, this Visual Studio Code to make changes in the code, and yeah, modif um, yeah, make the changes on in the config.ini, and yeah, Python, because well, this is the language that the script is graded. Uh, this well, this tutorial is for not technical people. I think if you have more questions, you could put in the comments, but uh, uh, mm, I think that's all, my friends. If you like the video, uh, give me a like. Give me some suggestions in the comments, and yeah, subscribe because well, I'm going to try to more kind of videos like this to solve problems. Um, I'm going to make more tools, right? Well,